Alright. Gate. Gate. Et voilà. Hello. Alright. Oh yes, all automatic, very nice. The light there. Some sort of storage space. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right, let's check out the bathroom. Very nice. Hot water. Cool. Oh, one over there. Again. Cool shower. On a bathtub thing. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, this is going to be the office. Window, window. Aircon. Wardrobe. Lovely. Cheeky little toilet. Hello. Cool buttons. Space there. Spare room. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Wardrobe. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, may as well take a cheeky little walk through this room here. Slidey door into master bedroom. Cool, cool, cool. Wardrobe space. Aircon, oh yeah. Aircon in here. Aircon in every room. Very nice. And then this is the living room. And
I'm doing like this.
okay, alright, don't worry. Kitchen. Zapper's working. Great. And you've got a balcony out here. Oops. Alright. There's a little 7-Eleven right there. It's very handy. Oh, yeah, 7-Eleven. So look, block of flats in front of us. There's a little, you can see that. Zoom in on that. School sign. That doesn't look very good. There's a Canadian school over there. Cool. Alright. So this is it. Master bedroom. Went through here last time into the kiddie room. Kiddie room. Spare room for now. Have a window. Yeah. Alright. That's it.